Hello everyone, welcome back to Take It Simple. In today's video, change Instagram music length in your story. Keep watching the video till the end without skipping, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Tap Open Instagram application and sign into your account, if necessary. Once you're in, from your home screen tap on the profile button at the bottom right corner. Now, tap on the plus sign at the upper right corner of the screen and tap on Story. Let us first start by creating a story. Click a picture. Now to add on your story or select one from your camera roll. Once you select the picture that you would like to use. Now after you do that, go to the sticker icon at the top of the screen, and give it a tap. Choose the music sticker for your story and select any music that you would like to use. Once you select the music, you can hold and drag the selection box and take it to the party song that you would like to play in your story. Now you can also decide the length of the music on your story. The minimum length of music on your Instagram story is 1 second, the maximum length on the other hand is 15 seconds. If you want to change that, tap on this button right here at the bottom left, and you'll be able to select the length of the song from the options. Make a selection and tap on Done. Now the length of the song will automatically adjust to your videos or photos length. Now, simply go and finish up your post, and with this, you'll be able to change Instagram music length in your story. Simply go ahead and post your story, and that is it. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.